A lot of things you can do online to make money with, but this strategy is maybe the most profitable one because it involves an easy method, okay? You don't have to have any products, you don't have to have a website, you just get another people's products and you get the money for it. Let me show you how. Hit that subscribe and let's go. Now, today Google is our friend. Google is always our friend, but today we're going to use Google Translate, okay? And you know how this works. You enter something in English, for example, and it'll give you translation in Italian, for example. Now, this is only one tool that we can use in order to make money with. Of course, it's going to work all over the world, but today we're going to target one country because I have found a little offer, and it's a good offer because it has like few steps that people have to complete. And first of all, they're going to get something for free, and then they end up buying the product. Let me show you. First of all, connect to this website, which is called Digistore24. Now, I just love to use this website because they have a lot of products and they're rated really well on Trustpilot. As you can see, they've got 4.7 out of 5, which is perfect. So let's not waste time on it. You know that this is a good platform when you see it, so just register now. Now, when you click on the Register Now button, you're going to be redirected in here, and be sure to check this affiliate because you want to sign up as an affiliate. When you involve yourself into some affiliating on this platform, it can get you commissions up to 85%, okay? So you can't find this anywhere on the internet, okay? Digistore24 is a really good one. So when you make yourself an account, just log in inside. Now, inside, this is going to be your dashboard. What you want to do is you want to head over to Marketplace. And now this Marketplace has a lot of categories. If you feel interested in any one of these, you are free to do so. You are free to take part into some email marketing, maybe business and investment, or maybe home and garden. But the real thing that you can do for yourself is to explore the strategy, okay? So Google Trends, for example, and it's one more Google tool which we utilize today. Well, Google Trends can explore the keyword, so it can give you exact information if the certain niche is good or not. So for example, you can just type in weight loss and you can actually see if this keyword is good nowadays. And you can actually see from this scale that it is a good keyword, especially nowadays, and this keyword tends to get better and better as we get near the spring because everybody want to shed some weight before the summer, right? They want to look good. So this is a good thing. When you have such a good traffic, such a good keyword, it is easy to sell products, okay? It is so easy because there is a high demand, right? And of course, we can make money just off of this information. You could as well go over to Digistore on fitness and health, and you will get a lot of these products which are related to fitness, right? But what I want you to do is I want you to go on this section over here. You can see, yeah, you can change the language, but you don't only change the language. You also change the offers. So for example, if I click on French, I have found this offer. Now, this offer is custom keto diet in French. You have a description in English, so you can read all about it. But you can see, guys, that you can get $24 for each one of those sales. And this is easy to sell because I'm going to show you what it consists of. So first of all, you can see this. It says Page de Vente. Now, when you click on this, you're going to be redirected to the French website, to the landing page of this product. And you can just go and click on this button, and then you just have to choose some answers. So for example, you can judge by the looks of this that firstly you have to choose if you are male or female, so you can just click on that. And I'm just showing you what people are going to see when they land on the page. I'm just going to show you why this is working because people now need to answer a few simple questions. And of course, they're firstly going to get something for free. So for example, this one, and then you just have to choose some food which you want to get included in your custom keto diet, and then some like vegetables, you can just include that, and now you just have to like enter the age, like that, your kilograms, your centimeters, you know, and then the object. So this is the objective, this is the goal. So from 89 pounds, for example, I want to go down to 80, and if I click on continue, now I just have to enter my name and my email address, and I'm going to get something to my email address, which is going to be the regime for me, which is personalized. And when that happens, when I get something for free, well, then I will be able to buy this custom keto diet for myself. So this is how they attract people, okay? Firstly, they give them something for free, and a lot of people are gonna end up buying this, and I'm gonna get $24 for each one of those sales. And this is how are we gonna get the traffic. First of all, go to Google and just type in 5 tips you don't know about weight loss. You can click on the first one, and you're gonna get this article, for example, and you can see that this one is Eat a Good Breakfast. So now what you want to do is you want to copy this entire paragraph, copy this in clipboard, and then go back to Google Translate, okay? We want to translate this from English to French. I'm just going to search for French, here it is, and now I'm just going to paste that article so I can get the whole in French. Now I just copy this entire article, which is in French, and I go to a website which is called Medium.com. Now, Medium.com is an international website which has a lot of articles and a lot of blog posts, and people all over the world are reading this. You can actually see here that Medium.com has 142 million total visits each month, so it's a good source of traffic, alright? So what you want to do after you create yourself an account on this website, just click on the right section, and then you can just paste that entire article in here. And of course, you have to do it for this whole article. You can see that it is not too long. You can just copy this and change this text into French, so a lot of French people can do it, right? So you just copy and paste that into this Medium.com article of yours. Is that you take the link, your special affiliate link from the website Digistore. You now just click on this button, which means promote now, and you're gonna get this. This product manufacturer will give you the access to this, and this is usually going to happen in like 20 hours or even less, because when they get online, they will see this. They say please allow 2 business days for this, but people want to sell this product and they approve you pretty quickly. So this affiliate link that you're going to get, it goes at the end of your article, okay? So people can click on it. So you can just maybe right at the bottom, click here to get free keto meal diet plan for you, okay? And now you can just highlight this and then click on this button, which is link. And in there, you're just gonna paste your affiliate link, okay? And you can see that this now has become a link. And of course, now you just publish this article. Now, what's gonna happen? Because it is French, it is gonna go over to a lot of French people who are gonna read it. And then they're gonna visit the page, they're gonna get personalized plan for free. But later, if they want to upgrade, and most of them are, well, they're just gonna pay for it. And the best thing about it is that you get $24 for each one of those sales. That's how it works. That's how easy it is. It is popular. So just go and take that action, guys, and I'll catch you.